you get me a gun? Is it a Nerf gun? Or is it a real gun? Grandma, where are you? Where is she? Where's my grandma? Is that a pepper spray? She got me pepper spray too? Right. What the? Grandma! Did you get me a fake Nerf gun? Did you get me a Nerf gun? Come on, let's have a Nerf fight. Come on, Grandma. Grandma got got! Ah! Grandma! You got me. I killed my grandma! No! Why? Ah! My God, bro, I killed my grandma! Why? I thought this was a fake Nerf gun, bro. I thought she got me a fake Nerf gun, not a. When I said I wanted a Nerf, when I said I wanted a gun for my birthday, I didn't mean get me a literal gun. I meant give me a Nerf gun. I didn't not give me an actual gun from the dark web, where she buys all her. Where she I think she thought Amazon was the dark web, like she uses all the time. And you're probably wondering what my grandma buys off there: illegal baseball bats to hit me with. I mean, to hit people with. She doesn't hit me with baseball bats, guys. She doesn't. She's against child abuse. But I'm not against killing people. Oh, Grandma! It's Grandma's face! I gotta be very careful. I gotta be very careful with this in case I drop it. I gotta be very careful with it.